Naga Miss Khobar, Lieutenant General Vikas Lakhera, Director General Assam Rifles, DGAR Para Charta Naga Manugetai Khan Samaj Te Ekdom Bhal Kam Kurya Nimte DGAR Commendation Card Dikina Saman Kuri She. A2 Saman Kurya Program to Headquarters Inspector General Assam Rifles North Kohima Te 24th February 2025 Te Rakhi She Aru Saman Pakhan Tu, KNC Kose, Imna Yade, Kenny Ritse Aru Nikituno Sechu Ashe. DGAR Commendation Card to Tai Khan Dusra Manu Khan Para Bi Bissi Bhal Kam Kurya Aru Assam Rifles Laga Ethos Aru Values Logo Te Mili Jakaru Nei Dishe. A2 Ceremony Te Kotha Koi Kina, Lieutenant General Lakhera Para Tai Khan Tajon Laga Tagra Dedication Aru Kam Laga Prasansa Krishe. Tai Para Public Aru Security Force Khan Mili Kina Shanti Ani Bole, Pradesh Laga Development Aru Unnati Karu Nei Kam Kuri Bole Ekdom Zaruri Ashei Koi She. DGAR Para Assam Rifles to Samaj Logo Te Eki Logo Te Juri Kina Aru Takot Para Bhal Future Bana Bo Le Mon Ashei Jonai She. Khobar Corner He Etu Anishe Aru Ami Khan Logo Te Pohila Bar Juria Khan Ke channel to subscribe, like Aru share Kuri Kina Hodai Jani Tha Ki Bole Anurodh Kuri Ashe.
Now, the English news. In a prestigious ceremony held at the headquarters of Inspector General Assam Rifles North, Kohima, Lieutenant General Vikas Lakhera, Director General of Assam Rifles, DGAR, awarded the esteemed DGAR Commendation Card to 4 Nagas in recognition of their outstanding contributions to the society. The distinguished recipients of this prestigious honor are KNC Kose, Inna Yade, Kenny Ritsai and Nikituno Sechu. The DGAR Commendation Card is a symbol of excellence, acknowledging individuals who have demonstrated exceptional service, dedication, and commitment in their respective fields, while resonating with the ethos and values upheld by the Assam Rifles. During the ceremony, Lieutenant General Lakhera praised the awardees for their unwavering dedication and selfless service. He highlighted the importance of collaboration between civil society and security forces to foster peace, development, and progress in the region. The DGAR reiterated Assam Rifles' commitment to working closely with communities, strengthening ties, and building a brighter future together. Khobar Corner brings award ceremony with a request to our first-time viewers to subscribe, like and share our channel to always remain informed.
Mr. Imna Yadav is a renowned singer from Nagaland, who has made a mark in the regional music industry with his soulful compositions, gaining a dedicated following on YouTube. He released a powerful rendition of Vande Mataram on the eve of India's 78th Independence Day, and also composed the theme song of the Captain Kangaroos Mahavir Chakra Memorial Football Tournament, which acted as a tribute to the Assam Rifles and the nation. Beyond music, he is an influential social figure, actively involved in youth empowerment and community welfare initiatives. His close association with the Assam Rifles and contribution towards various social causes reflect his commitment for positive change in Nagaland. Mr. Imna Yadav. Miss Kenny Ritse. Miss Kenny Ritse, crowned Miss Northeast 2023, serves as a distinguished beacon of Naga culture, beauty, and social advocacy. Her vision and unwavering dedication are evident through her active involvement in mental health initiatives, drug abuse awareness, and youth empowerment. Notably, she has made significant contributions to the Breaking the Silence campaign in collaboration with the Assam Rifles, extending its reach across the entire area of responsibility of Headquarters IGR North. Her grace, intellect, and steadfast commitment to social causes continue to set a remarkable example embodying the true spirit of leadership and compassion. As an ambassador of Naga culture, she diligently works to promote unity and progress, rendering her an inspiration for many. Ms. Keneditse. Ms. Nikitenu Seju. Ms. Nikitenu Seju is a distinguished model and passionate social advocate who gained recognition after winning Miss Nagaland 2023. Representing Nagaland at Miss Grand 2024, she showcased the rich cultural heritage of the state. Her influence goes beyond the fashion industry. She played a key role in the Breaking the Silence campaign with the Assam Rifles, focusing on mental health awareness, drug abuse prevention, and social empowerment. Through her advocacy work, Ms. Sechu has used her platform to highlight these important issues, encouraging open dialogue and community support. Her dedication to community-driven initiatives demonstrates her commitment to effectively positive change, making her a role model and inspiration for many. Ms. Nikitenu Sechu. Mr. K.N. Sekhose. Mr. K.N. Sekhose is a prominent social leader from Kohima, known for his outstanding service as the former president of the Angami Public Organization and the Northern Angami Public Organization. As a resident of Kohima, his leadership has significantly contributed to community development, cultural preservation, and social welfare in the region. With strong influence in Kohima, he has played a pivotal role in fostering unity and progress among the Angami people. Closely associated with the Assam Rifles, he has been instrumental in strengthening civil-military relations, promoting peace, and supporting various collaborative initiatives for the welfare of the community. Mr. K.N. Sekhose. I now request Lieutenant General Vikas Lakhera, Ati Vishal Seva Medal, Sena Medal, Director General of the Assam Rifles, to please address the ceremony.
4 कमेंडेशन कार्ड दिए हैं। ये पहली बार नहीं हुआ सिविलियंस के साथ जननायक के टाइम में भी जो लोग जिन्होंने समाज के प्रति, देश के प्रति, असम राइफल के साथ एक मकसद के लिए काम किया है, सोसाइटी के लिए, शांति के लिए, उनको एक छोटा सा रिकग्निशन दिया जाता है। ये बहुत बड़ी चीज़ नहीं है, एक बस छोटा सा थैंक्स है ये कहने के लिए कि आपने जो किया उसके लिए हम आपके आभारी हैं और आपकी सर्विस को हम रिकॉग्नाइज करते हैं। सो इट्स नथिंग बट आवर recognition of your efforts, and I'm so happy to see sir, the 6 decade past of Nagaland sitting in you here. You know, countless stories you have narrated to us, how Kohima grew, how you grew. I've seen your dedication towards your family. Okay, you are like my elder brother. You have sounded me off. Of course, Avi is sitting here. Okay, and it has been a very humbling experience for me to know you as a person, as a elder brother. हम लोग अलग स्टेट से हैं, पर हम लोग नागालैंड में रहते हैं. और जब तक हम नागालैंड में रहते हैं, नागालैंड की मिट्टी, हवा, पानी हमारे सिस्टम का हिस्सा है, क्योंकि ईश्वर की मर्जी है कि हम यहाँ पे आए. हम लोग पहले भी आज से कई साल पहले नागालैंड में कई लोग थे, हमने नौकरी की, लोगों से मिले, लोगों से अपनापन बढ़ा और लोगों से प्यार भी बढ़ा. और आप एक बात याद रखना, जो पॉजिटिव चीज़ें होती हैं, जो अच्छी चीज़ें होती हैं, उनको रिकग्नाइज करने में बहुत टाइम लगता है. इट्स वेरी इजी टू डिस्ट्रॉय बट वेरी वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू मेक थिंग्स ग्रो. So sir, let me acknowledge you today, since you are the senior most among us here. And I know that the fellow winners also will talk to you. And of course they know you all. So thank you very much. So Mr. Allen, so thank you very much for being our friend. Not being our friend, for being a very very straightforward, honest artist in your own right. क्रिएटिविटी एक आर्ट होती है, और आर्ट, क्रिएटिविटी, म्यूजिक डिवाइन होता है. मतलब जो इंसान संगीत के प्रति, एनीबडी हु लव्स म्यूजिक इज ब्लेस्ड विद डिविनिटी, बिकॉज दैट इज द टाइम व्हेन आप संगीत के प्रति, आप जैसे आप चर्च में जाते हैं तो कॉयर होता है, जैसे कॉयर इन द चर्च. सो इट जस्ट फोकसेस योर माइंड ऑन समथिंग वेरी पॉजिटिव. यू गो टू टेम्पल, भजन होते हैं, कीर्तन होते हैं, गुरुद्वारा. So anybody who's blessed with music is blessed by the Lord in true sense, and you can only give happiness to the society and people, because the art you engage in only brings smiles. So may God bless you with more power, more talent, and may you rise even higher in your life, and we all wish you a great, great future. To young ladies, I'll just tell you that the future has just begun for you. Okay, your achievements are just to tell you that you are meant for bigger roles. Now it's up to you to recognize how do you want to take your life ahead. Now, winning a beauty pageant is just a recognition of the honesty of the personality you have. But you have been associated with us for a very, very noble cause. You understand that the northeast of India is plagued by drugs. A lot of our children, young people, they are taking this as I don't know what, and somehow or other this menace is growing by the day. So as people who have been recognized so early in life with success and blessed, you have a responsibility towards the society. I'm sure that this noble cause will be carried forward this year, and maybe next year, next to next year, so that even if few of our brothers and sisters, they come out of this, it will be a big, big service to them, to the society, country, everybody, and even to the world. So we need more like you. Artists, congratulations. May God be with you. And remember, like Mr. Sikose carries a lot of past with him. Okay, and I'll request you guys to just engage with the past. Okay, because past has a lot of wisdom. Okay, to make your future bright. Present is always the reality, because it's always stay there. And if we acknowledge our past, the future will always become us in a very, very positive way. So I stand here today, I'm humbled because Jal Manish, I discussed with him, and he basically recognized everything. It was his initiative, and he spoke to me. And of course I did say that I want to acknowledge those individuals, and there may be many more, okay, and we will do in our own little way to acknowledge their work for the society. We are just facilitators and collaborators, wherein we feel that end of the day everybody should grow happy and be prosperous. May the future of our children become better, and all of you four gentlemen and ladies have contributed significantly toward this cause. Thank you very much, all of you. May God bless you all. ईश्वर आप सबको आशीर्वाद दे. आप जिस राह पे चले हैं, जो आप करते हैं, and it's not only for them, आपके लिए भी यही बोल रहा हूँ. क्योंकि इस from this place every month I used to speak to them till last year March when Manish took over from me. So आप लोगों के लिए है कि do the right thing. It's difficult, but doing the right thing the right way is our duty. Please do that. We are responsible for citizens of our country, the state we stay, and their smiles are our responsibility. Sometimes, yes, willy-nilly things, at times we are humans also. Things may not be liked, but with all the humility I say that we stand with you. And yes, please do tell us, sir, what better we can do to endear ourselves to the people of our state and country. God bless you. God bless Nagaland. God bless people of Nagaland. God bless all the soldiers of Assam Rifles. And God bless India. Jai Hind.
Thank you, sir. I now thank everyone for being part of this special occasion. Let us continue to support and encourage each other in all our collective journeys. Now please rise for the national anthem.
शुभ आशीष मांगे